What's up everyone and welcome to another video. Sony's highly praised gaming console series PlayStation is set to get a new version by the end of the year. This new console has some pretty big shoes to fill, called the PlayStation 5 or simply PS5 for short. Its predecessor, the PlayStation 4, is among the most successful game consoles ever. As of January 2020, Sony has sold more than 106 million units. The PlayStation 2 remains the first home game console to surpass those figures, shipping over 150 million units during its lifetime. With its next generation console, Sony is certainly aiming for a home run. Yet, does it hit enough to attract players worldwide as did the PS4? Here is what we know about PS5 up till now. Sony has officially announced that the PlayStation 5 will arrive in time for holiday 2020, so likely sometime between October and December 2020. A rumor has indicated that the release date would be November 20 of 2020, but it's yet to be confirmed that's in the correct window, so it will give time to bring some orders in before Christmas. This will bring the PlayStation 5 in direct competition with the Xbox Series X, releasing by Microsoft during the same time. Following rumors, a Sony PR has reported that coronavirus has not postponed the release date of PS5 and we can indeed see the release of the next generation console in late 2020, even though we are not totally sure what it will be. No official PS5 design has yet been announced, but the release of the DualSense PS5 controller gives us a pretty clear idea of what we can expect the next generation console to look like. Although we are dealing only with speculations, we may believe the architecture of the PS5 console would suit or at least be close to that of its controller. So what is really surprising about the DualSense controller is the new design and the two-tone white and black color scheme. In general, this means that we might have a two-tone white and black PlayStation 5 console. Not only is the color scheme of the DualSense controller is different from what we have used in past PlayStation gamepads, but even the general form and style is a major change. Sony has gone modern with the nature of the DualSense, and while we know the PS5 does not look like the dev kits we have seen up till now, the alien futuristic style may be in the right vein. The controller is white, but it looks very basic and elegant, with a circular shape like a boomerang, no detail in the colors of the buttons, and a blue light on the either side of the touchpad. It looks like Sony is going for a sleek style for the PS5. As you pointed out with the color scheme, PlayStation controllers often match their counterpart consoles, so we can expect a similar sleek design for the PS5, likely with blue lighting, slightly rounded edges, and little definition when it comes to buttons and ports. Much of this, though, is mere speculation and we are not going to know for sure until Sony officially unveils the PS5 concept. We are expecting Sony to hold another PS5 show to announce the price and design of the console around June or July, close to how it did for the PS4. Although we do not know exactly what the PS5 looks like. At CES 2020, Sony did announce the official logo of the PS5. It's essentially just the PlayStation 4 logo, replacing the 4 with a 5. The company disclosed some of the details about this technology in Sony's recent deep dive system architecture, as well as other hardware information about the upcoming console. The PS5 would allow some major enhancements over the PS4 according to the PlayStation 5 lead system designer Mark Cerny. And here's a full summary of the features list of the PS5 compared with PS4. The deep dive revealed even more about potential capabilities of the PS5. In the shape of the AMD Zen 2, we can expect an improved CPU that runs 8 cores clocked at 3.5 GHz. It will offer major performance improvements over the Jaguar 1.6 GHz CPU. The new AMD RDNA2 GPU of the PS5 is also a good improvement over the new GCN GPU of the last generation. This combination of CPU and GPU will allow the PS5 to use acceleration in ray tracing. Ray tracing is an advanced lighting software that can take in-game graphics to a whole new level by imitating more accurately how light behaves in an area. We have also heard that the PlayStation 5 will feature an 825 GB SSD, and it will help the expandability off-the-shelf NVMe SSD. Not only does this mean that users would be able to easily expand the storage of their PS5, but it will also provide faster load speeds, allowing for larger maps as well as better use of system memory. The last big thing that Sony announced during the PS5 deep dive is the new Tempest engine-driven, unit-based custom AMD compute console. This new tech will allow gamers to experience high-quality 3D in-game audio with even the most simple headphones or speakers using custom head-related transfer function (HRTF) maps. Sony admitted the Tempest engine is still in the early stages and it may take years for it to fully develop. As for cost, the PS4 and PS4 Pro retailed for $399 and we were expecting the PS5 to surpass that price point. In February 2020, Spell Times announced during an earnings call that Sony has yet to decide on a pricing plan. If we are to believe some of the leaks surrounding the subject, however, we can expect the console to come in at $499. Tipster PSE Rebus tweeted several bits of information about the PS5, including this alleged price point along with the supposed launch date of November 20. Bloomberg later announced that Sony had been struggling with the price of the PlayStation 5 due to expensive components. So far, it looks like Sony's PS5 is going to cost about $450 to manufacture. Reportedly, the original PS4 cost about $381 to build, so if Sony wants to keep pencil-thin profit margins on hardware, the PS5 will have to cost at least $470, which is roughly aligned with the previously rumored price point. So at this point, it's just a speculation. We think it's safe to assume that the PS5 is most likely going to retail for around $500. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is Tech Fielder and I'll catch you in the next one.